All right, let's see what we've got inside. Where are we going this summer?
Disneyland.
Disneyland. Look at some stuff that came. Disney side to help us celebrate. What do we got inside here? Look at all these shirts. Oh, you know what?
What?
I bet we've got stuff in here to make our own Disney shirts. What do you think? Yeah, we do. We can make our own Disney shirts. What else is in here? Oh, look at this. They must know we have a house of boys. It's all black. All right, let's move this box out of the way. Can you move
What's
that out of the way? You know what? I bet we can use these as placemats for a little Disney party. Placemats?
Yeah.
Cool.
Even my favorite colored ribbon.
Red ribbon. You like the ribbon?
Yeah, because it's red.
Yeah. There's little, what's in here? Oh, it's a poster. Can you read what that says?
So,
It's kind of hard cursive. This
this
is
is great.
love.
Love.
So this is love. Good job. What else do we got? I bet there's stuff inside here.
Yeah, I
All right,
bet.
come
They
over
gave me
here.
this free.
Come over here.
They gave me this free ribbon.
They did give you free ribbon. All right.
Yay! This is also my favorite color.
All right. Let's see what we got. What do you think we're gonna find?
I'm not ready. I
Oh,
think we're gonna.
oh my gosh. What color is that?
Red.
Red ribbon. Look at the inside of the suitcases.
Yeah.
Red.
Even look at this.
Napkins. Awesome.
Red.
What have we got? Party plates.
Red.
There's
Red.
red everywhere. We've got decorations to hang up.
Red.
Tablecloth.
Red.
Look,
What is it?
they're cookie cutters.
Red.
And little bracelets.
Darcy?
Yeah.
No red.
No, but they are bracelets. We got stickers, ESPN. We got, what are those for? Your favorite
Cupcakes.
dessert. Cupcakes, cups.
Red. Red.
Measuring cups. You can use that to make your cupcakes.
Red.
We've got, what's in here? Let's see. Oh, what's that for?
The muffin.
The Muppets, the little calendars. Think you want one?
Sure.
Yeah. And here's this, look at this. This is a planning guide all about visiting Disneyland.
Can we read? Can we look at it tomorrow
Yeah,
morning?
we can. I bet we could. All right, I think we're near the end. Oh, we got, what do we got here? Oh, Disney trivia. There's a game we can play. What's that say?
Bin dog.
Bin, bing,
Bingo.
bingo.
This is
You
bingo.
can play bingo. This is a face painting guide. We can paint our faces. Oh, look at the pirate. What's that? Ooh, craisins. Those are good.
Red.
We can print all our pictures that we can print party invitations and pictures out on this paper. And what's in this last box? What do you think might be in here?
Oh, Mom, this is
Oh, more craisins, more red balloons.
Yeah.
Wow, Disney's pretty cool, huh? You get excited to go?
Yeah. I'm
All right.
gonna blow these balloons.
You are.
Yeah.
What do we got in here? What do you think's in here? More paper for invitations. We got lots and lots of photo packs. Awesome. Everybody can get photo packs and everybody can put out their pictures. All right, what do you think about all this stuff? You excited for Disneyland? Yeah? What do you think about the suitcase?
Good.
Good? What's your favorite thing besides? What's your favorite thing in this box?
The cups.
The cups. All right. Say thank you, Disney. Say Disney side. Say
Disney
I've
side.
got Disney side. What do you want to say about what you got? What do you want to?
I like what I got.
You do?
Yeah.
Where's it from?
The mail.
Well, and
Disneyland.
Disney. All right.